So, today we are not only going to talk about parenting, we are going to talk about something most parents carry silently, that is guilt. And the guilt of being late to school pickup, the guilt of giving screen time, the guilt of saying yes when all you want to say no. Namaste, dear ones. I am Surabhi, a global cognitive coach, and I will be hosting this session with Mrs. Rama Shinde. Mrs. Rama Shinde has been founder principal of MIT Vishwa Shanti Gurukul for the last more than 20 years. And when she made the school self-sustainable, she has taken her next role, and now she is renowned IB leader who now guides schools and principals for quality education. Rama ma'am, most welcome, and let's do it together.
Thank you, Surabhi ma'am. So you love your child, right? And you want to be there fully. But somewhere between laundry and Zoom calls, school projects skipped meals. Your heart whispers, maybe I'm not doing enough. Do you agree with this, Surabhi ma'am?
Yeah, completely. So recently, IAS officer Divya Mittal shared a post that went viral. She said, I cracked IIT, IIM, UPSC, but nothing prepared me for motherhood. Even after reaching the highest level of service most of us only dream of, she said that raising her daughters left her crying on some nights, exhausted and stretched thin.
My God. So, that means she admitted, even with all her achievements, she often wondered if she was failing as a mom. That post did not go viral because she is an IS officer. It went viral because every mother and father saw themselves in her.
Yeah. You make tiffin in the morning, rush to work, skip your lunch, come home, still feel guilty. Why? Because today your child said, you are always busy, mama. You are always busy, daddy. And that one sentence stays with you all day. Because guilt has become the hidden emotion of modern parenting.
Very true. So you buy toys to say sorry, right? You allow more screen time to cover the time you could give. You could not give. You say yes when your heart wants to say no, and slowly you feel empty.
And it is not just about mothers. Fathers feel it too in different ways, but they also feel it. That quiet guilt. Am I giving enough of myself? But guilt was never meant to be your parenting partner. I welcome you all of, all lovely parents over here because you have been doing so much. And today's webinar is related to this only, what to do so that we can do our parenting better.
Very, very true. So let's be very honest, okay? In this world of comparison and perfection, parenting has become a performance, and guilt is the background music.
Yeah, exactly. And this guilt impacts your brain. You are in a constant fight or flight mode. Your brain releases cortisol, a stress hormone, and that affects your focus, memory, and patience. You can't enjoy being with your own child. And because your mind is busy somewhere, your mind is stuck in the past regrets. And that is where the equation changes.
Very truly said. And the child can sense it, They see the tiredness in your eyes, even when you smile. They feel the irritation in your voice, even when you say beta. They don't need perfection. They need peace in your presence.
Yeah, very well said, ma'am. Perfection is not that important. Actually, presence is important. But how do you find that peace within so that you are fully present? How do you come back to a place where parenting is connection, not the guilt? How do you do that?
So this is where we invite in a new way, ma'am, a calm way, a brain-wise way, and that is cognitive coaching, brighter minds.
Yeah. And Brighter Minds is not about tutoring, So we send our children to school, teach them maths, physics, science, a number of subjects. But we are never thinking I would rather say we are not even aware, how to train the mind so that our children can be more peaceful and happy, and we also can be more peaceful and happy. So it's about training the brain and heart to work together. There is a movie I was seeing, ma'am, Iqbal. So where he says, "This is art, this is mine." She says, I mean, the character Iqbal, his sister says, "But this is mine, this is art." He says, "No. When both of them, mind and heart, they work together, then only you excel." So parenting is also like that only. And children, whatever they are doing in life, we as parents, whatever we are doing in life, both should work together. So to build the calm, clarity and connection you have been missing, this very important tool can be utilized.
Very, very truly said, ma'am. The connection is very, very important. So you can begin with simple relaxation technique, right? Just 5 minutes of guided calmness, which you can get it from this relaxation technique, and already then your nervous system starts to heal. Okay, you breathe slower and your mind settles. Your child's mirror, like the child mirrors that peace when they are near you.
And they learn emotional regulation by watching you. They learn resilience when you say, "Yes, I cried last night. Yes, I failed that place, right? I failed in that particular activity or place. But I showed up again today. But I know how to again, stand, move forward, and not give up." So they want that particular thing.
Very, very rightly said, ma'am. The children, have that kind of a sense within them. They are looking in your eyes that love and affection. So parents gain the clarity and confidence by going through this exercise, and that quiet inner voice that says, "I am enough." And through gentle brain-based training, the children grow focused, memory and emotional strength. They get it. So, ma'am, we would like to invite the children who have undergone this Brighter Minds technique. They have absorbed, they have learned, to share a few quick learning from them, ma'am. Right? So, can you, Surbi ma'am, invite them so that the parents will get to know that how effective it is.
Right. So we are glad to share that 3 children, they have shared that they would be joining. Let me just check. Manaswini, Krutika and Pushkar.
Okay.
They are from Middle East. Because this program runs online and also in person. So they do it online. Just give me a sec.
Yeah. Sure, ma'am. You call them so that practically how it works, how it is benefiting the students, they will come to know.
I think they have joined. Pushkar, Manaswini,
Okay.
Krutika. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So I can see you. Let me give you a
Good
spotlight.
evening.
Very good evening. Very good evening, Krutika. So I'm adding a spotlight here. Yeah, Krutika. Hi. So please share, whatever you want to say. We have our parents over here from St. Joseph's and from other places as well. So please share whatever you want to say.
Okay. So I started Brighter Minds almost 2 years ago, and this had helped me a lot in my studies. Like I used to be distracted, but then since I've started this course, I started improving my focus. And just recently Surbi ma'am asked us to, there was class, and then she asked we are siblings, we are siblings. So she asked one of us to go outside the house and stand in some random place and just give them 4 options. And she asked both of them to just guess where I was. And we actually tried to guess it, and they didn't get, but then we tried. And then just recently we were going in a hotel, So my mom just asked, she just asked, just think what that manager would be wearing, what clothes, what color clothes he would be wearing.
Hmm.
So we guessed. I told blue shirt and black pant, and it was almost close. I was so happy. This was like that, yeah. And then Brighter Minds had also helped me in she asked us to visualize things so we could retain it more for a very long time. And Brighter Mind helped me in many things. And there was in school also. My dad told my class teacher once that I could read with my eyes closed. So my class teacher asked me to read with my eyes closed, and then this led me to meet the principal. She also saw my reading, and then vice principal, the management all saw my reading. I was so happy.
Yeah, and even I'm glad to share that Kritika performed very well in sports as well, and she could get a chance to meet King of Bahrain. Kritika, would you like to share?
Yeah, sure. So I started karate at almost 7 or 8 years, at my age, 8 age. So since then I'm doing karate, and I guess last year there was championship internationally. Students of my age came to Bahrain, and we had championship. So I got a bronze medal in group fight. And then school also got, school was also very happy about this. And then ministry called. I was so happy when I got to know that ministry called, because I thought my coach was just joking that I would be the king. uh, and then that actually happened. That was so a very special experience. That was really special. I was so happy.
Yeah. So what Kritika is saying, like she has experienced the changes in her studies, in sports, in overall life. So when she is sharing, I was trying to, just just observe what was the color, the restaurant manager was wearing. So it's why to do that, because this is a kind of sensory training. This training helps children improve their observation and also intuition, decision making capabilities, understand environment, understand people. So in this particular activities, in that particular path, how to understand people, how to understand environment, so that they can keep themselves safe. Because when they know that, okay, this particular place is not good for me, or this particular person will waste my time, I should not be with this person, then basically they are able to keep themselves safe. They, most of the emotional, baggage and all that, we are able to avoid. So there are different interventions in the program, so that children learn those life skills. Because by like Divya Mittal said, I did IIM, IIT, UPSC, but life skills no one taught me, and that I am learning while on the job. So when we are able to train our children for those skills of mind that are being used in everyday life, like concentration, when it improves, whatever children are doing in 2 hours, they are able to finish in half an hour. So why I am talking that in this particular topic of guilt in parenting, because sometimes when we are not able to give our children the right thing at the right time, guilt comes in 2 ways. One, if we have not done the right action at the right time, later we get that guilt. Second, suppose we have done something wrong that we should not have done. Like, for example, I shouted for no reason. I was frustrated. I was, just tired, and I shouted. So later on, that guilt comes. So when children get that opportunity and the complete family is able to experience that harmony within and also in the house, because children are getting what they should do, children are getting opportunities to work on themselves. It's very peaceful thing that is created around us. So I would request Kritika to just show one activity of intuition. What I'm requesting her to share with us is one activity which we can understand that, okay, this is just a tangible proof that their observation, intuition and concentration improves. This is one of the many activities that we train children. So Kritika, would you like to show something?
Yeah. Just a second.
Yeah. So if any of our lovely people, you want to just put your video on, I'll give you a spotlight so that everyone can see.
And at the same time, ma'am, they can, write if they have any questions also, right?
Yeah. If you have any questions, you can write in the chat. And yeah. So just put your video on so that I can give you a spotlight, and then you can show any object on the screen. Kritika would be sitting with eyes closed. And yeah, so Kamal Pandey ji is here. Kamal Pandey ji, Namaste ji. Namaste. I am giving you a spotlight, Kamal ji. So Kritika is sitting with eyes closed. Her mother is with her. Kamal ji, you can show any object to Kritika. Okay, Kritika. So yeah.
This thing.
Yeah, that's cool. So Kritika, Kamal ji is showing you one object. Just try to feel what it is.
Okay.
Screen.
Is he on spotlight?
1 minute. Yeah, I have given Kamal ji spotlight, and also I have given you a spotlight. So thank you, Sarika ji, for joining and helping Kritika with putting blindfold. Thank you so much.
ये स्पॉटलाइट नहीं हो रहा है, सब दिख रहे हैं एक्चुअली.
अच्छा, तो you can choose speaker view, I guess.
स्पीकर व्यू.
हाँ, तो on your right top corner there is view option. There you can choose speaker view. So for everyone, actually for our audience as well, just choose speaker view, so you would be able to see Kamal ji and also Kritika. Sarika ji, now is it okay?
नहीं.
Choose speaker view.
लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड.
Right side top corner. Choose speaker view. So Kamal ji, we will change the object. Once Kritika is ready, we will give new object to Kritika.
I have in my hand.
Okay, so let her ready first, because Sarika ji, set? Zoom set? No.
हाँ काट सकता हूँ. ये है ना स्पॉटलाइट की वजह से.
Speaker view. Choose speaker view, Kritika.
Hi ma'am, can you please tell where is the speaker view? Where we can find that?
So on the right top corner of your Zoom, you can choose speaker view, and if you are joining from mobile, you just scroll it like this, left side, then there would be speaker view. You would be able to see Sarika ji's screen and also Kamal ji's screen. Is it happening?
Yes, but I can see all.
Yeah, so when you choose
Oh,
speaker view, then you are able to see only Kritika and yourself, sir. Rama ma'am, how about you?
Even I can see all of them, So it's not showing the speaker's view.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we can see the Kamalji on the, now prior to this, we were able to see Kamalji only on the screen.
Now?
Yeah, now we can see only Kamalji ji on the screen. Yeah, and now Kritika and Kamalji Jit Singh is there now.
And how about everyone?
But I can see all again, because
Yeah, I also can see everyone.
Anji and Sarika only in spot only right now.
Hmm.
I think so, ma'am. The setting has some kind of this thing. Yeah.
In setting, it's. I think I would need feedback from the audience. Are you able to see Kamalji and Kritika?
Yes, ma'am. Abhi, right now, Kamalji and Kritika are on screen only, main screen.
So you are able to see, right? Everyone.
Yes.
Yes, Kritika. Can you see Kamalji, Kritika?
ऑडियो
No,
आएगा
ma'am.
नहीं पता करते
हाँ?
हैं
No, ma'am.
It has gone to the
Now I have given
spotlight to Chandra.
Kan Singh ji also spotlight.
Yes.
Yes, I
Yeah.
have joined, madam. I have joined.
Yes,
A bit
sir.
late.
Yes, sir. Kritika, no?
No, ma'am.
So can you see view option?
View.
View option. Okay. So what I can do it differently. Kamalji, you can just write something to Sarika ji because Kritika's mother is there with her. You can just write something to Sarika ji and write it to everyone. Sarika ji would read, okay? And then Sarika ji would write that thing on a paper and give it to Kritika to read. Okay?
Should I
That's
write
how
on
we
the
can do.
chat?
Yes, you can write in the chat so that everyone would be able to see what you have given. And then Sarika ji would write it on a paper and give it to Kritika to read.
Yeah, that will be great, ma'am. Yeah.
So she would be reading, trying to read something. And what we are showing, why we are showing this? Because we have two eyes. Why to do this? Because through these different activities, I mean, this is one. Like that, we have many activities. So through these different activities, we are trying to work on the observation and concentration of the children. But like this, there are many exercises, many tools, methods, and all these are backed by neuroscience. All these techniques are backed by neuroscience. I'll share with you later. Kamalji has written something. Sarika ji, can you see chat? Just unmute yourself.
Yeah.
yes, I can see.
Yeah. So you just write it on the paper. I think everyone is able to see. So you just write this particular thing on a paper. You can put your mobile in horizontal way like this so that everyone would be able to see. So Kritika would try to just feel about it. Yes, Kritika.
The Heartfulness Way by Daji.
Yeah, so this was what was written. And
Great.
yeah. I think Sarika ji, you only can bring anything from the house because now we have no other way. We thought that we would take it from our people, but since your Zoom setting is not supporting, so you can bring anything from your house and just give it, because I know mothers are, always very picky, because I see parents when they take practice, they put everything, just to make sure that child is doing, even they switch off the light so that they can ensure that children are doing well. So yeah, you can just keep it on your hand and let Kritika try it.
मजा आता था
Kritika, mama is holding it. Just try to feel what she is holding.
Yeah. A jar, which is clear,
okay
with grey silver lid. It has almond and cashew nut inside it.
right
Thank you, Sarika ji. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kamal ji. You can open your eyes and see Kritika. Thank you, Kamal ji. Apologies for this Zoom problem. Yeah. We planned something else, but we did something else because Zoom setting was not supporting. But yeah, so children are able to learn it online as well as in person, but 95% of the sessions are online only. And that's how Kritika and her sister and her brother, they learn through online because they are in Bahrain.
That's
Sarika ji, as parent, would you like to share something? Because we have all the lovely people as parents here, and we would like to know your input as parent. मराठी सांगू सकता, हिंदी में बता दीजिए या इंग्लिश में, जैसे आपको मन करे.
हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। मेरा नाम सारिका है। मेरे तीनों बच्चे अभी 3 साल से ब्राइटर माइंड कर रहे हैं। ये अभी जो कृतिका है वो बहुत एंग्री, यानी उसको गुस्सा जल्दी आता था। तो जैसे यानी जो भी बच्चों का आपका ये है, यानी उनका नेचर कैसा है, अगर वो आप सुरभि जी को बताएंगे तो वो हिसाब से वो थोड़ा उनके साथ एक्टिविटी, उनके साथ गेम करके वो क्लियर कर देती है। अभी इसका गुस्सा बहुत कम हो गया है। बीच बीच में वो पढ़ाई के लिए भी उसको थोड़ा ये था कि अरे कितना पढ़ाई करने का, लेकिन वो भी मैंने सुरभि जी के साथ डिस्कस किया, फिर वो भी अभी कम हो गया है। अभी मेरी छोटी वाली बेटी है, वो तो सब बहुत अच्छा करती है। अभी उसका पढ़ाई में इतना अच्छा हो गया, तो लास्ट ईयर उसको प्रिंसिपल ऑनर, यानी सब सब्जेक्ट में उसको A ग्रेड मिले हैं। पहले भी थी, लेकिन अभी थोड़ा ज्यादा इम्प्रूव हो गई है। और मेरा छोटा बेटा वो तो नॉटी है, सुरभि जी को पता है।
पुष्कर नाम है उसका।
बहुत शैतानी करता है, लेकिन उसका ऑब्जर्वेशन अभी बहुत बढ़ गया है। जो यानी छोटी छोटी जो बातें हैं वो हम नोटिस नहीं करते, बस आते जाते, लेकिन उसको बराबर याद रहता है कि ये ऐसे नहीं था, ऐसे ही था। यानी ये प्रैक्टिस से बच्चों में बहुत छोटी छोटी जो बातें रहती है वो बहुत इम्प्रूव हो जाती है। फिर बाद में उनको पता चलता है कि नहीं, ये हमारा बहुत अच्छे से हो रहा है। यानी जैसे स्टडी हो गया, जैसे ऑब्जर्वेशन हो गया, ये बच्चों में बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट आता है। तो ये सब अच्छा है ब्राइटर में। थैंक यू सुरभि जी।
नहीं तो सारिका जी, हमको ये जानना है कि आपको आपकी पेरेंटिंग जर्नी में कुछ हेल्प मिला क्या ये सब करके? कुछ आपको मदद मिली क्या एज पेरेंट, एज मदर?
हाँ, यानी अभी मुझे कभी कभी लगता है बच्चों के साथ कैसे डील करना है, तो कभी कभी मैं जैसे आपके साथ बात करती हूँ तो थोड़ा हेल्प हो जाता है मुझे। यानी आज का भी जो टॉपिक है, आप यानी मैंने कभी ऐसा नोटिस नहीं किया कि हमको गिल्ट फील होता है। यानी हम हमारा काम में बिजी हो जाते हैं, हमसे जितना हो सकता है वो अच्छा हम बच्चों के लिए देते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी रात में जाके नहीं तो कोई एक पॉइंट पे लगता है अरे नहीं, हमने बच्चों के लिए ये करना चाहिए था लेकिन नहीं हुआ। ये होता है। तो अभी ये सेशन में देखते हैं कि क्या पेरेंटिंग के लिए टिप्स मिलते हैं, तो वो फॉलो करूंगी मैं जरूर।
थैंक यू सारिका जी, थैंक यू सो मच। तो जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात है, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग योर इनसाइट। एंड ऑल ऑफ अस एज पेरेंट्स, हम सभी का ये प्रॉब्लम होता ही है, क्योंकि नो वन इज परफेक्ट, everyone is trying. So all this happens, this is journey, and we should not, this is what I think, we should not try to be perfect, but our children want to see that okay, we are trying, we are putting efforts. जब हमसे नहीं होता है तो हम एडमिट करते हैं ऑनेस्टली कि बेटा ये तो नहीं हुआ, पर हम ट्राई करेंगे। then they learn that failure is also okay, it's part of journey. The important part is, are we trying to become better version of ourselves every day? That is the important part. So Rama ma'am, what I feel, shall we run with one breathing technique and relaxation technique so that everyone can take it as takeaway of the session, and then they can give it a try?
Yeah. That's a kind of a backbone of the system, ma'am. Okay. So we should do that, right? Yeah. And whatever Sarika expressed was really a genuine point.
Yeah, thank you Sarika ji, because as parent there are many things which only we can feel, and when we share with others are also able to feel that yeah, it's okay, everyone is just trying. It's not that I am alone in this journey and only I am not giving good food, good nutrition, or something that I should have given. It's okay, be self-compassionate and try these techniques, because as we shared, when we are peaceful, when we are happy, when we are compassionate for ourselves, we accept ourselves as it is, then that joy, that peace goes to children. They also understand that, yeah, it's okay. We all are one. We all are trying. So let's give it a try. All of you can just sit back relaxed, and back should be straight. So like I shared, heartfulness techniques for parents and Brighter Minds techniques for children. All these are backed by neuroscience. Alpha wave training, sensory stimulation, sensory training, whole brain exercises. But the real magic is emotional grounding. We are going to start 3 batches. I'll tell you the details later. But we are going to start 3 batches online in St. Joseph's and also in Magarpatta. If you want to learn more about it, if you want to know more about it, you are most welcome to connect with us. I'll share connecting coordinates. But the most important thing, like Sarika ji said, what is the solution? What tip we can get? The biggest tip is more centered we are. So do this relaxation every day for you and your children. And like I said, 2 things. One, if we are able to do right thing at the right time, taking right actions at the right time, guilt will never be there.
Yeah.
Second, suppose we are not doing something that we should have done, guilt is there. So that wisdom to decide wisely that I should do this at this time. But even then, if something goes wrong, I feel that there is nothing wrong in saying sorry. Suppose after 3 days you realize that, okay, I should not have shouted on my child. So you can always go back, accept, and then you can say sorry to your child, right? And talk to your child in positive note, accepting that we all are humans. Parents are also humans and can, with them also things can go. Rama ma'am?
Yeah, very true, ma'am. And this is something which every parent can learn very easily. It doesn't require any money. It's free of cost. Right, Surbi ma'am? So please share the contact details, Surbi ma'am, with everybody. And have one question also, ma'am, in the chat box that we will answer. And what I always feel, ma'am, that, guilt is not a response to anger, right? It's a response to one's own actions or lack of actions, right? So everybody needs to take certain actions. If they have learned something new today, they need to take action to get it connected with you. So that will benefit in long term for their children, because schools cannot educate the children in this area. Yeah.
And I would tell you one thing, heartfulness meditation techniques, we don't charge anything for that. Learning heartfulness meditation is completely free for entire life. In 5% offerings where we need to invest, where we need to do something, structured, and that, like Brighter Minds is one of them, is paid offering. But apart from these 5% offerings which are paid, 95% of techniques by heartfulness are free. If you are really willing to try more techniques, you can share. You can just ping me. My number is given 9619866591. I have also shared one group which is made for parents. You can join that, and there you will have my number. Plus, you can we keep sending the content, webinar, details. So anytime you want to connect, please feel free. You can join this group, and also I have shared one YouTube link. So we also have that YouTube channel in which we bring parenting content. If you are interested, you can also explore that. And like I said, we are going to join 3 batches, one in Magarpatta city, Pune, one in St. Joseph's, Pune, and 3rd online session. So if you are interested, you can just talk to us. Rama ma'am, I think we should open for questions now.
Yeah. Questions, ma'am. Already, one of the parent has written it. I'll just tell you what they have written it. They have written it like, how it is going to help, how it is going to help to memorize the answers in studies.
So for improving memory, there are different techniques, Sonakshi ji. So what we have shown, because in this 45 minutes webinar we cannot show everything, so we have shown you only couple of things. For working on memory, there are different interventions that are included, that is worked on. Like Sarika ji said, if you share your concern with us, we are able to work that way as well. So there are different things in the mind, in the brain. Everyone's mind is different, everyone's brain is different, so for different things different interventions are needed.
And every child is different, ma'am. Every child has its her uniqueness.
Yeah.
So definitely when the parents share with you, you can help them out.
Yes, sure, that is sure.
And when they are asking about memory, it is basically related to the concentration. Correct? Mugging up.
Yeah, it is related, true. But why Rama ma'am is saying that? Because more focused your child is, if concentration is good, your child will listen to the teacher in a better way, with more awareness. When they listen to the teacher in the class, they understand more. When they understand more, it will be retained here because they have paid attention. So paying attention to whatever is being taught in the class is important skill. That's why that concentration is directly related to memory. But yeah, when it comes to brain, that okay, my child studies a lot, then also the child is not able to retain. So there are different neural functions like hippocampus, and those neural functions need to be worked on. You can talk to us, we will be able to support in that journey. Rama ma'am?
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. Hope Sonakshi ji has got the answer to her question. Right. And there was one more question, ma'am. Somebody from Hyderabad has written. 1 minute. I'm just scrolling up and checking it. Yeah. Padmavati ji, I think so, has written it. Like, I'm from Hyderabad and I have trained few children in my colony. The children they're feeling shy. Okay.
Yeah, shyness is one more aspect of children, Rama ma'am.
Definitely, ma'am. Confidence level needs to be there. Intuitive power has to be developed, right?
Yeah, and also trust for myself is very important. When I trust my own skills, when I trust my own capabilities, then slowly I don't feel shy. Why children feel shy? Because they feel maybe if I ask this, I'm giving example. Suppose teacher is teaching and child wants to ask answer in the class, but child is shy, doesn't ask. Why? Because child feels if I ask this question, maybe other children will think I'm silly. This question is silly. What would teacher think? Maybe teacher can think that okay, I have not studied well. Because of n number of all these things and chaos in the mind, it happens. But when that clutter is cleared, when clarity of mind is there, then that can be worked on. And there are techniques and interventions available. So as I shared with you, this is from neuroscientific background, and in neuroscience there are different studies, researches on different neural functions, what all neural functions are there in the brain, what needs to be done if you want to work on certain skill. So like that, it can be, if we know what is the concern, it can be solved.
Very true. Ma'am, even Deepa Pawar is writing, how to increase concentration. So this is we have done one more webinar on this, right? Earlier we have spoken about it. So ma'am, you can refer to that, Deepa Pawar ji. I have seen, the children becoming very focused, very, you can see that development in the children, because concentration is something which you can only visualize when you see the performance of the child, right? Academically as well as the work wise also, right? Or even when the child is interacting, you can see that how much mindful the child is and how he's answering your questions.
Yeah.
These all techniques or the routines which are followed by heartfulness develops the concentration. That I can guarantee you, ma'am, because I used to do it in our school also.
Yeah, correct. And also concentration is in forebrain. This is forebrain, this is midbrain, this is hindbrain. Concentration is a function of forebrain. And there are different exercises available, different techniques and methods available through which we are able to work on the forebrain part. Forebrain is something which makes humans unique. Humans different than dogs, cats, all other animals, right? Why humans are so smart? Because our forebrain is very developed. This particular neocortex, this is also called prefrontal cortex, neocortex. It is very developed. So concentration is a function of this place. So how to do different exercises, like suppose I want to make my bicep, I know the exercises. Suppose I want to tuck my tummy, I know the exercises. Right now, thanks to yoga, we celebrate yoga so much, and also other exercises, we know how to do that. But then how to work on our brain, how to work on our mind, we are not very aware. But there also there are different techniques, exercises, methods available. That's what we are doing through this Brighter Minds program. And heartfulness for parents, there are series of techniques which make you guilt free. That's why we shared that, okay, you just give it a try. This is just small webinar where we are introducing. If you are willing to just give some time, because it will require some time, if you are willing to give some time, these techniques are free for parents. So you can just give it a try through heartfulness techniques.
So hope Deepa Babaji, we are able to answer your question. Now the last question, I think so we should take it, ma'am. Who can no, I think so there's no other question, ma'am.
Yeah, I think we're done. Yeah.
Done, ma'am. Yeah.
So thank you so much, dear ones, for joining. Thank you so much for being here, and it was truly amazing with you this time. And next Sunday again at 7:30 p.m. IST, we would be coming up with one topic. The topic would be how to get your child to study, because nowadays making them to sit for a study is becoming increasingly difficult. So that particular topic is in our mind. How to get your child to study would be the topic. 7:30 p.m. IST next Sunday. Please block your calendar and join. And if you have not joined WhatsApp group and explored this YouTube channel, you can do that. And also please feel free to write to us directly. One-on-one also, we are willing to connect with you and understand what you require from us. Your feedback matters to us. Please give your feedback. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rama ma'am, for joining, and thank you everyone. Thank you for joining.
Raviji is writing over here that the details of the batches, please. So Mr. Raviji, you can give a call or you can send a message on the given number. Sulbi ma'am's and Surat's number is there. You can get it. Right? Yeah.
I'll share. I'll share the number one more time for people who joined late. So this is mine,
ma'am. Till the time you are doing that, ma'am. Somebody else also has written it like, sorry, I have missed any recording available. Yes, the recording will be available by tomorrow evening, right, Sulbi ma'am? And that will be shared on the
correct.
YouTube channel.
Correct. That's why I am sending that YouTube link, because on this YouTube link, this webinar would be available. So what you can do, you can watch it, you can show it to your family members, you can share with your family members, extended family members and friends. If you find it useful, you can just share it. That's why I have shared that WhatsApp group detail, WhatsApp group link, so that you can join, and also YouTube link.
Yeah, and ma'am, last one, Mr. Khushbu, Mrs. Khushbu Singh has written, would like to have a radio show for my school. Okay. The kids are asking all their queries, and parents also. So would be seeing it. So you can get in touch with ma'am. We are helping all schools, and we want to spread this message to everybody that there are solutions. We can help out the children. So get connected with Surbi ma'am. We'll definitely help you out. Khushbu ji. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And Rama ma'am, I would just introduce Khushbu ji. Khushbu ji is group principal of a group of schools, Angel School. So Khushbu ji, glad that you are here and you took out your precious time to join this webinar. Yes, sure. We will connect with you. Thank you so much.